Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is your friend, brother, cousin, whatever you call it, Dominus. I'm here once again. Today we are going to learn how to add a liquidity, how to add a pool to farm tokens, or how to farm. We have adding liquidity, pooling, and farming. So in here, we are going to use our Trust Wallet to learn how to do them. So let's proceed. We click on Trust Wallet. You see, I have my West tokens here because I'm going to use West and BNB. Okay, so I have my West token, I have my BNB already. There are funds in there. So what I need to do or click is the DApps. I click on DApps, DAPPS, DApps. Perfect. I have to know the website I want to use for the farming or staking or pooling or whatever. You get it? So we can use the BSwap. That is if that the tokens are supported in there. We can use CrossSwap. We can use Polaris DeFi. We can use Pancakeswap. We can use Bakeryswap. So many. We can use Wault.finance. The one I prefer most is Wault.finance, and the website is swap.wault.finance. So you type in there swap.wault.finance or finance. In Ghana we normally call it finance. Then you click on search. Once you click on the search option, it will search for you. Okay, let's go back. It seems there was something wrong. So let's type in again. Let's use the HTTPS to not get confused. So HTTPS. Then you bring the signs which are required there. Then you type in the name swap.vault.finance, and then you search it. Perfect. Now it has come. In here, the one, if you see the BNB or Smart Chains logo, normally when you click on it, you see Ethereum logo. So let's click. Normally when you click, you see Ethereum logo there. Don't choose the Ethereum logo. If you open the website and see the Ethereum logo, that's not what you want. So the one you have to click on the Smart Chain. Okay, and then in here you see my address here. Most of the time you will not see it there. So let me log out and show you how when you do it at first you see. So log out. Okay, so when you open like this is what you see. You see something like connect wallet. So you just click on connect wallet, and then you choose the wallet you are using. Which wallet am I using? Trust Wallet. And which currency am I going to use? Smart Chain. So let's choose Binance Smart Chain wallet. Okay. Oh, what's wrong? It should go through. Okay, let's refresh it and see. Okay, so they just want us to use the MetaMask option, so I just use the MetaMask option. I don't know why today they did not allow me to use the Binance Smart Chain, but they are all the same as far as it works for you. You use it, you get it. Okay, so now we just have to provide liquidity first, because first what we want to learn is providing liquidity. You get, so we click on liquidity, then we click on add liquidity. What tokens do I want to use for the creating the liquidity? I want to use BNB and West for creating a liquidity. One thing you should know is once I create a liquidity, anyone or any person that swap BNB for West or West for BNB, I'm going to get a profit on top because I provided a liquidity. I created a chain for them to be able to swap the tokens. You get it? That is the benefit of creating or adding to a liquidity. Perfect. So one, I have my BNB there already. So let's select a currency. Then we choose West. Perfect. Or you can just type the name West, it will show there. So now I type the amount of BNB I want to create the liquidity. Then it will give me the equivalent of West I need to create the pair. of the LP which I want to create. So I type 0.19, that's the amount I just want to use, and they are telling me in equivalent I can use 909.343 to pair with my 0.19 BNB to create the LP, that's the WLP tokens. So what they are telling me, my share of pool 0.01%, 0.01%, which will be my share of pool. That is what they are telling me. Okay, so once I click on approve, okay, it will show there for me. It will show my LP tokens in my wallet will show. You get, currently I have 0 West 0, BNB 0 because I've not provided a liquidity. But once I click on approve, it will show for me. You get it? So should I? I'm thinking. So okay, let's approve. So I click on approve. Then I have to confirm the transaction. You get it? So let's confirm the transaction. What do? I click on approve here. Then I confirm it. Okay, so approving West. Let's wait for it to approve to give me my share of the liquidity. Okay, so now I've gotten my West LP. So should I supply? I click on supply. Then they are telling me I'll receive 0.0. Sorry, they are telling me I'll receive 13.0338 BNB West pool tokens, or that is the WLP pool tokens. You get, perfect. And below they are saying BNB deposited was 0.19, West was 909.5. The rate per West to BNB to West is 1 BNB equals 4,787 West. 1 West to equal to 0.0002085 BNB. My share of pool is 0.0003889%. So should I click on it? Once I click on it, I'll get 13.0468 WLP. So I click on confirm or supply or whatever. Then I confirm them here. They are telling me maximum total. So approve. Okay. So let me close it. Once it gets confirmed, it will show. So let's wait for it to confirm. Alright. So this is it. I've gotten my share in here. My West BNB token, okay, is 13.04. My West is 911 West. My BNB is 0.18. So it will keep increasing. Once somebody trades using West for BNB, or using BNB for West, it will keep increasing. If you check, the BNB here was 0.018, but right now it is 0.19 blah 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 3, and my West is increasing 911.31 something. It's increasing. So I can just leave it like this. I've provided the liquidity, and it's giving me some money, some coins. It will continue to give me anytime someone a trade, I'll get profits. You get. But in here I'm going to use my LP tokens to farm. So where do we go and farm? For now I've added a liquidity. If I want to stop the liquidity I can use the same process and then stop. You get. Okay, so let's go back. So in here, I provided the liquidity, and they are telling me my liquidity is what West BNB. All right. So once I click on West BNB here, I can actually remove my liquidity from it, and then uh, 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 I can move on. You see, I can move my liquidity and unstake them to get my West and my BNB. You get it? Perfect. So let's leave it like this. Let it fetch money for us. So now we are going to even farm. We are going to farm. All right. So what do they say? Your liquidity. What do they say? Let's read. Also, when you add liquidity, you are giving pool tokens that represent your share. If you don't see a pool you join in this list, try importing a pool below. Perfect. I see my own, so there's no need for me to import anything. So where do we farm, or where do we pool? Add to a pool. So you click on the three lines here, click on farm. Remember, we are using Wault Finance for it. This is what I prefer to use for the tutorial. You can use your Pancakeswap, CrossSwap, Bswap, or whatever. I've already used Bswap to provide to add a liquidity. You get, and even farm honey tokens. Yeah, but in here I've gotten my LP. Okay, I got the WLP. You get, I've gotten my WLP, and I can actually use to farm if I want to. You get, so if I want to farm, they are saying get West BNB WLP. So once you click on it, and then you can just swap this one, the amount you want to swap, and then you proceed. I hope you get it. Perfect.